Today is Saturday, October 12, 2019, Singapore. This is a video of the Oriental Garden Lizard in Singapore Lentor Loop, north of Singapore. This lizard is not the same one we saw yesterday and which I videoed and posted yesterday, although both have the same adult size and the two colors. Now I'm putting my camera on to a tree branch so that the video is clear, as you can see, and the 9 a.m. sunlight is really bright. You can see the Oriental Garden Lizard in all his good true colors, not moving, sunbathing, and in good body condition. Now, it's not always possible to have a camera put on to a tree branch to videos, but today I have this tree opposite this Oriental Garden Lizard. Now he runs off and I'm able to video him without my camera shaking. You could see him running off because there was somebody behind me making a noise as he moved off. Was this man behind me? He parked his car and moved off. So now I will try and see whether he's there or has he run off from the ground and scooted away. Now let's see where he is. He probably knows I am videoing him. There he did run across the field to another tree, and he knows I'm sort of stalking him every day when I go for a walk, but not specifically him. I'm doing nature videos of Oriental Garden Lizards, and this one is really a good size. And at times when I find that the lizard disappeared from one particular tree, but today we can see that actually he has sprinted across the field to this another tree, just to avoid me videoing him. So it was from this tree when I videoed him. From the other tree, he was on this tree and he ran across the field, which I managed to capture on video, to this tree, and there he is. It's really good size, and it's the first time I managed to video the movements of the Oriental Garden Lizard from one tree to another, and also action. As you can see, he climbs up the tree slowly, being alert and careful of me. Really a good opportunity to make a video of an Oriental Garden Lizard in Singapore. And there he is, sunbathing actually. Nice, good morning sun, blue skies with white clouds, and he's actually at eye level with me, about 15 feet away. And should I move closer, he may just shoot off. Oh, he's still there. See his colors, it's really beautiful, and it's quite close as I can get to him on the video. This most likely a male. I shall get a bit closer and a different angle to show his true colors. Beautiful. This is a Singapore Oriental Garden Lizard. Most likely quite a mature adult in the prime. See the colors, the scales, and it's not truly camouflage because his color is not really blended to the color of the tree branch. But there he is. He's very careful, eyeing me. I'm about 10 feet away. I can get closer, but it's not necessary. I can zoom in, and you can see all his features. Let's see on this side. He's still okay with me, 6 feet away. I better not get closer. I shall stop now and let him have a nice good sun tan. Today is Saturday, October 12, 2019, Singapore. Lentor Loop.